bicycle industry makes 3,125 bikes each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. Here there is a bicycle industry which makes bicycles an amount of 3,125 bicycles each day. So he is asking for in the month of July how many bicycles are manufactured. See here, bicycles manufactured in one day. How many bicycles manufactured in one day? 3,125 bicycles manufactured in one day. So he is asking for in the month of July how many bicycles are manufactured. In the month of July, how many days we have? In July we have 31 days. So we have to multiply 3,125 with 31 days because it is 1 day's manufacture. So we have to know 31 days manufacture. So we have to multiply with 31. Okay, children. So bicycles manufactured in July equal to 3,125 into 31 because July have 31 days. So multiply 3,125 with 1 and then later multiply 3,125 with 3. See here, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 1, 1, 1 3 is 3. Now leave this place and multiply 3,125 with 3, 3 5 is 15, write 5 here and 1 here, 3 2 is 6 and add this 1 to 6, 7 1 plus 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, now add these two numbers, here 5 and 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 7 8, 3 plus 3 6 and 9 here. So it manufactures 96,875 bicycles in the month of July. So therefore in July it manufactures 96,875 bicycles. Okay, children. This is the second problem, and this problem is based on divisions. So see here how to solve. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of small size is 8 kgs 400 grams. So what is the weight of each packet? Here he is given weight of 5 biscuit packets. Weight of 5 biscuit packets is equal to 8 kgs 400 grams. He is asking for what is the weight of one biscuit packet. Asking for weight of one biscuit packet. So see here, the weight of five biscuit packets equal to 8 kgs 400 grams. So first thing is we have to convert this 8 kgs into grams. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams plus 400 grams. We can write this as 8 kgs plus 400 grams. So 8 kgs is equal to 8 into 100 grams plus 400 grams. That is equal to 8000 grams plus 400 grams. So here 8000 grams and 400 grams. So 8400 grams. Okay, children. Now he is asking about weight of each packet. weight of each packet. So weight of one biscuit packet equal to, what is the weight of 5 biscuit packets? 8400 grams. So how many biscuit packets total? 5 biscuit packets. So we have to divide 8400 by 5. Okay. Now divide this. 8 here and 5 here. 8400. So in 8, 5 one time, 5 ones are 5, 3, and I am taking 4 to here. In 34, 6 times, 5 6 are 30. So remainder is 4. Now I am taking these zeros to here. 5 8s are 40. 0 and this 0 to here. So add 0 here because 0 is there. So 5 into 1680. So 5 into 1680 times. 1680 times. So 1680 grams. We can write this as 1680 is equal to 1000 plus 680 grams. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, 680 grams. So weight of one biscuit packet is equal to 1 kg, 680 grams. Okay, children? Okay, children, see the next question. Your hotel has 15 liters milk. 25 ml of milk is required to prepare a cup of tea. How many cups of tea can be made with the milk? Here, a hotel has 15 liters of milk and 25 ml of milk is used to fill a cup. 25 ml of milk is used to fill a cup. How many cups are filled with that 15 liters of milk? Okay, children, see the answer. Okay, children, see the solution. Total milk in bottle equal to 15 liters. So here 25 ml is there, so we have to convert this 15 liters into milliliters. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 15 ml is equal to 15,000 ml. Here 15 liters, that's why we are multiplying with 15. So we have 15,000 milliliters. Okay, children. So cup of tea contains how much amount of milk contains in a cup? 25 ml. 25 ml. So what we want here, how many teas can be prepared? Total teas prepared by that milk equal to total amount of milk by how much amount of milk in a cup? 25 ml. So divided by 25. 15,000 can be divided by 25. See here, 25 here and 15,000. Now divide this. Here in 15 is less than 25. So take these 3 times. In 150, 25 is 6 times. 6 into 25 is equal to 150. 6 into 25. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So 0. We get 0. So here 2 zeros are remained. So take these zeros to here. So how many times 15,600 times. 600 times. 600 cup of teas are prepared. So 600 cup of teas are prepared. Okay children, don't confuse here. Here we get coefficient 600. In 600 into 25 is equal to 15,000. That's why we get 0 here. If you get remainder as 0, the quotient is the answer what we want. If the remainder is 0, the quotient is the answer what we want. Okay children? Okay children, do these two problems as homework. In this problem use divisions and in this problem use multiplications. Thank you children. Bye.